Have you ever seen water suddenly turn into fire? How does lightning strike from the sky without a single cloud? Or how the glowing ocean illuminates the darkness of the night? The world is full of phenomena that do not lend themselves to logic. Scientists are trying to explain them, but some phenomena still remain a mystery. Today we will go on a journey through the most anomalous natural phenomena that make us doubt reality. Are you ready to find out what secrets nature hides? Then let's go! Street disappeared in the karst funnel. The owner of the white car is very lucky. The formation of karst funnels is associated with the presence of karsting rocks. People were shocked after a video showing how cars suddenly crashed near a shopping center in the city of Jiban, located in Sichuan province. According to local authorities, fortunately, no one was injured in the resulting hole with an area of about 500 square meters. A waterfall that pours upside down. Peak District National Park in Greater Manchester, England. Due to the strongest winds, streams of water from the hill rush sharply in the opposite direction. When there is calm, windless weather in the area of the waterfall, water flows down the rocks as it should be, from top to bottom. Climatic anomalies, India. Residents filmed a previously unknown phenomenon. The earth itself rises from under the water. Saudi Arabia was gripped by natural anomalies. In some areas, a record amount of snow and hail fell, forming multi-meter snowdrifts. Desert regions faced torrential rains, and a powerful sandstorm hit one of them. The ISS filmed rare phenomena in the Earth's atmosphere, ELF and blue jet. ELVs are giant rings of light that spread at great speed, and a blue jet.
In the countryside of Rotterdam, the Netherlands, a mysterious ray of light flowing from the sky to the Earth attracted attention. Experts began to find out the source of the incident, and residents of the district are trying to understand this unusual event. So, is this energy flow a miracle of nature or an inexplicable phenomenon?
The video shows a rare natural phenomenon, the morning glory cloud. This is a long, rolling cloud that is most commonly observed in Australia, particularly in the Gulf of Carpentaria in the north of the country. In 2023, a powerful sandstorm hit the Suez Canal in Egypt, causing significant disruptions. The storm resulted in at least one fatality and several injuries across the country. Sandstorms of this magnitude are rare and can seriously impact shipping and daily life in the region. One of the most recent significant events was the tornado that struck Oklahoma City on November 3, 2024. A series of tornadoes swept through central Oklahoma, particularly affecting Oklahoma City and its surrounding areas. At least 11 people were injured, with significant damage to buildings and infrastructure, as well as widespread power outages. The winter storm Jonas hit the east coast of the United States in January 2016, bringing record-breaking snowfall. Over 48 hours, time-lapse videos captured streets and buildings in New York, Washington, and other cities gradually getting buried under snow. The storm caused major transportation disruptions and power outages, making it one of the most powerful snowstorms in the region's history. A volcanic eruption on the island of Stromboli, part of the Aeolian Islands in Italy, occurred on July 3, 2019. The volcano erupted, releasing ash and lava, leading to the evacuation of locals and tourists. In May 2024, a tornado occurred in the Lake Palestine area in Texas, initially classified as EF0, but later upgraded to EF1 with maximum wind speeds of up to 169 kilometers per hour. The tornado caused significant damage to homes, marinas, and trees on both sides of the lake. Residents described how they took shelter and held on until the storm subsided. The fire tornado in California in 2020 occurred during massive wildfires in Lassen County. The fiery vortex formed due to extreme heat, strong winds, and intense burning. Kansas often experiences tornadoes as it is located in Tornado Alley. The most destructive ones include the Greensburg tornado, 2007, nearly wiped out the town, the Wichita tornado, 1991, and the Topeka tornado, 1966. Residents prepare with shelters, sirens, and drills. Odisha, India, there is a unique phenomenon known as the peeing tree. This tree periodically releases a stream of water from its trunk, which attracts the attention of local residents and tourists.